Tell me a secret. Are you serious?
I believe I can fly. I believe I can.
There's no milk in there, I promise. Ew, please stop. Ah!
Get a pet velociraptor, you said, Steven. It would be fun, Steven. Now it's trying to eat me, Steven.
Listen, you're laying on the baby. You gotta get off the baby. You cannot lay on the baby. Okay. Listen. Kitty, I'm so sorry. Oh.
Vraiment pas gentil, ce pigeon-là. Comment il nargue. Nunut. Oh, Mattia. Oh, no.
I'm done. Oh, honey. It's okay. Oh, okay.
Boobies! Boobies! Boobies!
Excuse me, sir. I'm going to have to ask you to remove yourself. Get your face off my face. You are touching me inappropriately on my chesticles and you're rubbing up and licking me. It's weirding me out. Oh my God, your tongue just went in my mouth. Oh my God.
If you're fucking happy and you motherfucking know it, clap your motherfucking hands. If you're fucking happy and you motherfucking know it, clap your motherfucking hands. If you're fucking happy and you motherfucking know it, and you really motherfucking wanna motherfucking show it. If you're motherfucking happy and you motherfucking know it, clap your motherfucking hands. Alright guys, time for attendance. Do we have Kyle here?
Yeah, that's me. I go by Kai, though.
Okay, that's fine. And do we have Margaret?
Present. I go by Margie.
Alright, a lot of nicknames, wow. Do we have Jeremy here? Yeah, I go by Savage King. Okay, Elizabeth.
So, as if my anxiety wasn't bad enough, this is how my kitten sleeps. So every single day, I get to have a heart attack, thinking that, oh God, no, he's actually dead this time. But he's actually just asleep.
Wow, you like to play hide and go seek pretty good. Where's Gizmo? There he is. Hi. Did I find you? Yeah? I'm sorry. Say goodbye.
Hey, Kirby. Your TikTok fans want to see your neck pore pop. Can we do it now? Let me see it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, Kirby.